This is a demo video showing the installation of GPUCADforAM software application. This software application depends mainly on CUDA, Vulkan and GLFW. In order to install CUDA toolkit with version 12.3 which is used in this software application, you need to go to CUDA toolkit archive website and select the CUDA toolkit 12.3.2 version. Choose operating system Linux. Architecture x86-64, distribution is Ubuntu, version is 22.04. I am choosing the installer type wlocal. Follow the installation instruction. At the end you will be able to install the CUDA toolkit 12.3. The NVIDIA driver, you should install it from the software and updates page, and in that additional drivers you just don't follow this commands, just install latest version. Here the latest version is 575. You choose that, otherwise you may encounter some problem. After installing CUDA, you need to install Vulkan SDK, and this is the website that you need to refer. Scroll down, you will see the installation of Vulkan SDK for Ubuntu 22.04 Jammy Jellyfish. Follow these commands in a terminal and you will be able to install Vulkan SDK. In order to verify the installation of Vulkan SDK, just open a command terminal, type vk cube. You will see a rotating cube which shows the installation of Vulkan SDK has done correctly. After installing CUDA and Vulkan, you need to install GLFW window manager. Open a command terminal, type the command sudo apt install libglfw-dev. That will install the GLFW window manager. You also need to install the git package in order to clone the repository. Once you install the git, you just type the command git clone and copy the URL from here. This is the URL. By typing this command, you will be able to clone the repository in your local machine. Open the repository folder. These are the contents that you will see in the repository. There is a source folder and 4 markdown language file, 1 license file and 1 make file. Open the make file and just ensure that you are providing the correct CUDA path. Here it is user local CUDA. This is the CUDA path. Inside CUDA path there is a subdirectory called bin. In that subdirectory there is the NVIDIA CUDA compiler which we want to use for compilation process of our files, which is needed for building the executable. Also you need to provide the compute capability value. Here the current SM, the value is 89. How you can identify your compute capability of GPU is just type this command and press enter. Here I am using the RTX 4070 laptop GPU. Its compute capability is 89, so here I am providing the value 89. Also you need to ensure the Vulkan header and SDK library path before going to compile the files. Now we can start the compilation process by opening a command terminal and type make all. The compilation process starts and you can see 2 additional folders are created here. One is bin, which will contain the executable, and other is build, which contains the object files that is necessary for building the executable. Here the compilation process is progressing. Now the compilation completed. After a successful completion, you will get this message, compilation completed. You can now go to the bin folder. You will see the executable, double click on it. You can now see the application interface. Now the software is ready to use. I will show the usage of this application in another video. Thanks for watching.